My name is Alia. To the respected principal, teachers and dear friends, I am glad to give an opportunity. I would like to deliver my thoughts and understanding of Dr. Abdul Kalam sir's persona through this speech. I am so proud to be born in a country where he was in India. He must have been a citizen like us and eventually become a great personality. Even more than that, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is also credited as the Missile Man of India. He was born on October 15, the year 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He was also called as the People President. He was the 11th President of the India. He served the nation as the President from 2000 to 2007. He worked with organizations like DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, and ISRO, Indian Space Research and Development Organization. He was a student of physics and aerospace engineering. He is still looked upon as pinnacle of science-like discoveries. The Indian students worship him for his dedication, nobility, and his ignorance. It is rare to find man like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His ideas inspire youth to India. He works towards making it a better land and had expression about it. It would be so great on behalf for us to do something, make the nation proud, and similarly fulfill his expression of the dream like India he imagined. He was a man of dreams and the man who inspired one to dream. His idea about dreaming is an impression one. He says dreams are not those who will see while we sleep, but those that don't let one sleep. Is not that true? That to fulfill one's dream, one needs to work hard, burn the midnight lamps, oil, and not simply think about it. He would encourage people to become people of action rather than just dreamers. His ideas are pragmatic and noble, and if one successfully includes them in his life, nothing can stop him her from achieving her goals. While thinking about how APJ Abdul Kalam influenced us, let's also find out who inspired him throughout his life. The first one was his teacher, Iyadurai Salamon, and the second one, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. In the year 1997, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam received the highest civilian award from Bharat Ratna. Anyway, what causes us? The major grief is his demise while he was delivering his speech in his Institute of Management, Shillong. He collapsed and left Earth. It was a sad day in a timeline of India's history. He passed away on July 27, the year 2015, aged 83. Thank you.